hang on, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, it's gone. Oh. What do you do when you're about to sneeze on Zoom? Do you tell people? Well, here is a guide to sneezing on Zoom. Number one is you've got to mute yourself. You click that mute button. Yeah, so at least you didn't hear that sneeze. Second thing is mute and stop your video. Don't just stop the video. You forgot to mute yourself. You've got to mute and stop the video. Now, if you are recording, then you need to pause the recording as well. So mute, stop video, ideally, and pause the recording. Now, advanced technique for sneezing on Zoom is you send out a secret signal to somebody else on Zoom, and you can do that through the chat, not to everyone, but you send out an emoji. It's got to be something really, really fast. Oops, I sent it to everyone. Send it to one person, and then that'll be a sign for them to take over immediately until you've got through your sneeze. And then you can say, okay, the pepper is over. Last thing to note is that sneezes tend to come in pairs, sometimes in threes. So if you are going to sneeze, sneeze once, but be aware that it might happen again. Okay, hope that was good. Gotta go.